Hello guys, welcome to our channel Digital Shiksha with Renu. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get all the latest updates. So today we are going to see class 12 Maharashtra board, the most important question which comes in your board exam for 4 marks, that is appreciation of the poem. And this question is compulsory question. There will be no option for this question. So, in this video, we will see appreciation of the poem whose name is Indian Weavers. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. Poem and some points will be provided to you in the question paper. Points like about the poem, poet and the title, the theme, poetic style, the language, poetic devices in the poem, special features, message, values, morals in the poem, and the last one is your opinion about the poem. We have to cover all the points while writing the appreciation, and appreciation should be in paragraph format. So now let's start with the appreciation of the second poem, Indian Weavers, which is written by Sarojini Naidu. The poem Indian Weavers is written by Sarojini Naidu. She was a political activist, feminist, and the first Indian woman who became the president of Indian National Congress. The poetess depicts particular time as a day and while simultaneously describing the three stages of human life, that is birth, adulthood, and death. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB, which is also known as perfect rhyme scheme. The poetic device used in line 3, blue as wing of a halcyon wild, is a simile because there is a direct comparison between the halcyon and the garment. There are other poetic devices used in the poem like metaphor, alliteration, inversion, and repetition. The poem is in a sing-song tone and is in a question-answer format. The language of the poem is easier and simple. The poem is a short poem packed with imagery. I like this poem for its simple thoughts and artistic, colorful presentation. We have also completed all poem full explanation in Hindi. अगर अभी तक आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो do watch, link is provided in the description box. We have also completed other poem appreciation, link is provided in the description box, you all can check it from there. If this video is useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.